Are you tired of battling dry, irritated skin? I've got the perfect solution for you. Let's dive into the miracles of Aveena Sativa. Aveena Sativa, also known as oat extract, is an absolute gem in the world of skincare. But why? Well, it's not just a staple in your breakfast bowl. This humble ingredient is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that work wonders on your skin. Clinically proven and FDA approved, Aveena Sativa is a top choice for treating eczema and dryness. It forms a protective barrier on your skin, locking in moisture and keeping irritants out. Think of it as your skin's personal bodyguard. Now let's talk science. Aveena Sativa contains compounds like Aveena, which are potent antioxidants. These little heroes reduce redness and calm irritation. This is why we've added an optimal concentration in DNA Biofix Age Repair Moisturizer and to Zenzone. Oat extracts are rich in beta-glucan content and helps to deeply hydrate and repair your skin barrier. Including Aveena Sativa in your skincare routine is a game changer. Whether you're dealing with sensitive skin, eczema, or just looking for a hydration boost, this ingredient has got you covered. So, the next time you're shopping for skincare, look for products featuring Aveena Sativa such as our DNA Biofix Age Repair Moisturizer and Zenzone Emulsion Serum. Paired with powerful plant growth factors, you are ready for safe and clinically beneficial age repair and cellular healing. Remember, a little bit of nature can go a long way in your skincare journey. We care for your skin with great dedication. Skin health matters. Be sure to follow us for daily skin and wellness tips.